I'll guide you how to make video editing portfolio on Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to Notion.com and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click on Templates. In the search bar, type Portfolio for Video Editing and press Enter. Choose a template that fits your style, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Now you've got a base layout you can fully customize. If there are any sections or elements you don't need, simply click on the object and delete it. You can also change the banner by selecting from Notion's options or uploading your own. To change the photo, click the three dots and choose Replace. Editing the text is just as easy. Click on it and type whatever you want. To add your videos, you can either upload them directly from your device or paste in a YouTube link. This works for both long-form and short-form content. Make sure to include your contact info, and you can even link videos to text by highlighting the text and clicking the link icon. And that's it. Your video editing portfolio is ready.